That's how loud it is. And this right here, it was hard to talk over it. This right up here is the on and off switch. This right here goes to here, and here's what it looks like. To decrease it, all I do is take this red valve right here. Alright, that's actually exceeded that. That's increased it. To decrease it, you go clamp this way. So you can see. So you want to do like a beach ball or some of those other things, you would turn it this way to decrease it. To increase it, all you gotta do is turn this, and as you can see, it goes up to about, only up to about there, and that should be good. This over here is the pressure valve, and as you can see, it works. And here's what it looks like from over here. This red knob controls this up here. And here's the name of the compressor that I was made by Husky. I bought it at Home Depot about over a month or two ago. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, click that thumbs up or thumbs down and hang there. Videos are posted on YouTube, and press the bell notification that lets you know when I upload new videos. I hope to see you next time and hope you have a great day. Bye!